Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today we start the chiral reagent and chiral catalyst in the asymmetric synthesis. Yesterday we have seen the chiral auxiliary, chiral full, and the enantioselective and diastereoselective reactions, synthesis. Now today we are going to start chiral reagent and chiral catalyst. Now the chiral reagent or chiral catalyst are used for the synthesis of asymmetric compounds product. Now chiral reagents such as CBS reagents are used for the synthesis of the alcohol which is asymmetric, means from the prochiral compound is converted to chiral compounds. So prochiral compound is converted into chiral compounds, and mostly the alkene and carbonyl compounds, are the trigonal planar compounds, and these trigonal planar compounds are converted into chiral tetrahedral compounds. Now, out of these two, carbonyl compound X gives poor yield by the carbonyl compounds to form the tetrahedral, but the alkene on catalytic hydrogenation by using the chiral reagent, it gives good yield. For example, CBS reagent. Let's see the reagent, that is CBS reagent. Corey Buxi and Shibata, these three scientists developed an analog of boron hydride, CBS reagent. Corey Buxi, Shibata, these three scientists developed the chiral borohydrate analog. Chiral borohydrate analog is developed by this Corey Buxi and Shibata. By these three scientists, they have developed the chiral borohydrate analog. Now let's see how this chiral borohydrate is prepared by these three scientists. By using the S-proline and COOH. Now H, this S-proline react with benzyl anhydride in presence of base NaOH. So the protection of this nitrogen NH of proline by the benzyl anhydride, so that the product form is NCOOBN, HCOOH. Then after that, this carboxylic acid on esterification with methanol and in H plus condition, this acid group undergo ester formation, NCOOBN, HCOOME. Now this ester group treated with two molecules of Grignard reagent to form the tertiary alcohol 2 times PHMgBr. So this ester react with Grignard reagent gives the tertiary alcohol. There is formation of COH, PH. Now this After formation of tertiary alcohol, this group is deprotected by HCl and NaOH. HCl and NaOH to form the NH. OH, pH, pH, H. Now this treated with borane, methyl borane. This compound treated with methyl borane to form CBS reagent. Here is boron, Me, O, pH, pH. Now this reagent is called CBS reagent. Now this CBS reagent again combined with borane to form the active reagent. This reagent is called 4-hydroxy Shibata reagent. And again this CBS reagent react with borane to form the active reagent. N, pH, pH, O, B, M, E. Now the lone pair of this is donated to borane to form the N plus pH, pH, O, B, M, E, and here is B, H, P minus. This is the active reagent. After treatment of CBS reagent with the borane. When this CBS reagent treated with borane, it form the such type of active reagent, and this active reagent attack on the carbon-carbon double bond from the alkane, to form the alkane. Let's see the example. Now this is the preparation of CBS reagent and how the CBS reagent become active reagent when it is treated with borane. Such type of compound, moiety, which is the active reagent. Okay. Let's see the example. Reduction of carbonyl compound to the alcohol by using CBS reagent. Now acetophenone on treatment with CBS and borane, it gives pH, OH, CH3. Such a type of compound is obtained when the acetophenone is treated with 10% mole of CBS reagent, near about 10% mole of CBS reagent in presence of borane gives the alcohol, and this alcohol is 99% yield with 97% enantiomeric excess. The yield is 99% and the enantiomeric excess is 97%. So here this CBS reagent gives the alcohol of the ketone. Now let's see how the addition of hydrogen take place, hydride transfer take place on the carbonyl compounds. See here R CBS reagent. Let's write first CBS reagent N pH PHO B Me BH3 minus N plus. Okay, this active reagent CBS and BH3. It undergo rotation, yeah, turn over, it rotates so that the boron comes from this side and oxygen from this side, pH. Now here is nitrogen, okay, and here is BH3 Me. Now the active reagent form the transition state with 6 member via the attack of the hydride occur through the formation of 6 member transition state with the carbonyl compounds. Let's see with RL, the pH, we write here pH, C double bond O, CH3. Let's see, it is a large R group and it is a small R group. pH is larger R group, we consider here, and CH3 is the smaller H group. Then the attack of hydride takes place from the boron through the formation of 6 member transition state. Now this pH or large size of alkyl group is at pseudo-equatorial position. It is present at pseudo-equatorial position, and there is formation of 6 member transition state BH. There is this oxygen and boron Me. This boron is attached to oxygen, then pH, nitrogen, and there is this bond. Nitrogen carries positive charge. I remember. Okay. Now see here, this is the 6 member transition state. Now this hydride attack on carbonyl, this attack on boron. So this is the 6 member transition state formation takes place, and through this transition state the hydrides are transferred so that there is formation of pH, OH, CH3. So the hydride transferred from the here on carbon, and again there is O minus, then again it takes the proton from the hydrolysis to give the product. Now this large group, I write here RL for this large group is present at pseudo-equatorial position. During the attack of hydride, there is formation of 6 member transition state. Let's see this 6 member transition state, C double bond O, 1 AAC, or then this is the 6 member transition state. And why this 6 member transition state? It get converted into the alcohol, so that there is a chiral alcohol is formed by the CBS reagent. Now let's see another role of the chiral catalyst. Now in the living cells or in the living organisms, there are large number of the reactions take place in the metabolism, and this reaction produces the chiral molecules. Now for that purpose, the enzymes play an important role as a chiral catalyst. For example, yeast plays an important role for the reduction of carbonyl compound in the asymmetric alcohol or in the form of chiral alcohol. Okay. Let's see the reactions for the carbonyl compound. The carbonyl compound is converted to alcohol by the Baker's yeast. C double bond O CH2 COOAT. Now this carbonyl compound get reduced by the Baker yeast, by the Baker's yeast, and this Baker yeast reduces this carbonyl compound to form the OH, chiral molecule. Chiral molecules. Baker yeast, glucose. Okay, so this carbonyl compound is reduced to the alcohol with 55% yield, 55% yield, and the enantiomeric excess is 97%. Means the living cells, in the living cells, the catalyst, that is the enzyme, plays an important role for the asymmetric synthesis. So this is the one of the examples of Baker yeast, which reduces carbonyl compound to chiral carbon, that is chiral alcohol. Okay, then asymmetric hydrogenation with BiNAP. Let's see the asymmetric hydrogenation with the help of BiNAP in the next lectures. Thank you. I think you understood this CBS reagent, the role of CBS reagent, and the chiral catalyst. That is, enzymes are used as a chiral catalyst. For example, Baker yeast, which reduces carbonyl compound to the alcohol. Okay, thank you.